The iPhone SE lineup has always been Apple's attempt to offer a premium iPhone experience.
Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated release of Apple's next compact titan, the iPhone SE4. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a potential game-changer that could completely reshape what we expect from smaller devices. Buckle up as we explore the buzz, leaks, and electrifying possibilities surrounding this upcoming marvel.
The stage is
The
set for
iPhone
what could be one of
SE4
the
is
most
set to
compelling
revolutionize
launches in
design,
Apple's upcoming
leaving
portfolio.
behind the era of
If the
chunky
latest
bezels
leaks
and physical
insider
buttons.
reports are to be believed,
Rumors suggest it will
believed,
introduce a sleek,
iPhone
edge-to-edge
SE4 will
aesthetic
feature a
reminiscent of
radical design
Apple's
shift,
flagship models.
moving away from the
Envision a
classic
device that
aesthetic
not only
the
fits
SE
snugly
models
in
have
your
been known
pocket,
for.
but also delivers a
This
deeply
means we could see
immersive
a
visual
6.1-inch
experience.
liquid retina
This
display,
isn't just about style,
an
it's
edge-to-edge
about
screen,
merging
and the
portability with
elimination of the
eye-popping
traditional home
visual
button.
appeal.
Such a design upgrade
Whispers
would give
in the
the
tech
SE4
world
much
hint
more
at a
contemporary
dazzling
appearance,
OLED
while
display
providing more
gracing the
screen real estate
SE4,
for users to
promising
enjoy their
vibrant
favorite
colors
apps,
and deep,
media, and
inky
games.
blacks that
One of
elevate
the most
every
notable
viewing
upgrades speculated
experience.
for the phone SE4 is
Imagine
its display,
binge-watching your favorite
with rumors
series
pointing
or diving
towards
into
a
cinematic
6.1-inch
masterpieces
liquid retina
on a
screen.
screen that
This would
bursts
be a
with clarity and
significant increase
contrast.
over the previous 4.7-inch
The iPhone
display.
SE4 could turn everyday
Apple's
media
decision to
consumption
incorporate
into a
this
visually
display
stunning
technology
journey.
in a budget device
But the
shows
design
their
brilliance
commitment to
doesn't
elevating
stop
the C
there.
series status in the
Rumor
smartphone
has it
market.
that Apple might
One of the
integrate
biggest
cutting-edge
highlights of the
camera
upcoming
technology
iPhone
into its
SE4
iconic logo,
is its rumored
transforming the
processor,
SE4
none other
into a
than the
photography
A16
powerhouse.
Bionic chip.
Yes, you read that
What's
correctly.
more, the A15
This compact
Bionic
device could
also
potentially
excels in
sport a
terms of
camera
energy
system that
efficiency,
rivals even the
meaning users
top-tier
can expect better
smartphones.
battery life compared
Apple
to
has
earlier
long
models.
been a leader in
While the
environmental
SE series has
responsibility,
typically featured a
and the
single-rear
iPhone
camera,
SE4
rumors
is
suggest
expected
that
to
Apple might
continue
be
this
considering
tradition.
a more versatile camera
From
setup for the
sustainable
SE4.
materials to energy-efficient
For selfie
components,
enthusiasts, a higher
this device is
resolution
rumored to be
front-facing
crafted
camera
with
is
the
rumored,
planet in
with
mind. Picture
improvements to
owning a
FaceTime
smartphone that
video
not only
quality and
delivers
better
top-notch
performance for video
performance,
calls
but
and
also
selfies
minimizes its
With a
ecological
larger
footprint.
display and more powerful
The SE4
battery
could
performance
symbolize
becomes
Apple's
crucial.
dedication to reducing
Fortunately,
carbon emissions
the iPhone SE4
through the use of
is rumored to
recycled
pack a larger
materials,
battery than its
energy-efficient
predecessor,
manufacturing
providing longer usage
processes,
time on
and a
single
focus on
charge.
longevity.
Industry
By
analysts
choosing the
speculate that
SE4,
the iPhone SE4
you'd be
could start at
contributing to a
around
greener future
$429,
while enjoying
similar to
cutting-edge
the previous
technology.
SE model.
The iPhone
The iPhone
SE4 has
is
the
likely
potential to
ship with
redefine
iOS
the
18
compact
out of the box,
smartphone market.
offering
It could
users
prove that
access to
size
the
doesn't
latest
have to mean
features and
compromise on
By
features,
combining a
on
fresh
performance,
design,
or style.
powerful performance,
With its rumored
camera
blend of
upgrades,
cutting-edge
and competitive
design,
pricing,
powerful hardware,
the SE4
and a
aims
commitment
to
to
be the best value
sustainability,
iPhone on the
the
market.
SE4 could win the hearts
Stay
of
tuned as
users
we
who
bring
crave
you
a
more
device that
updates on
packs
the
a punch
SE4 as we
without
get closer
sacrificing
to its official
portability.
launch.
As we
And
eagerly
remember to
await the official
subscribe and hit that
reveal,
notification
excitement
bell
continues to
so you
build
don't miss
around the
out on any
iPhone
upcoming
SE4.
content.